So, all you maths whizzes out there might have already noticed we've only got one of these legs, but we're obviously going to need four. So, we're going to need to figure out how to duplicate this one so we end up with all four. Now, what's good about Fusion is there's usually many different ways to try and get the same outcome. So, it's about finding what's best for you. For me, one of the ways we can copy this across is to go to Create, and we're going to go to now, one of the ways we can do this is to create a pattern, or we can create a mirror, or we can copy those objects with the move copy function. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to create. I'm going to select mirror from down near the bottom. And I'm just going to follow the steps in the dialog box. So first of all, select the object, which is this one. Then I need to select my mirror plane. So again, my origin is going to reappear, and I'm just going to select this one here. Now it's going to give me a preview, so I'm just going to double check that that's in the right position. Looks good to me, so I'm going to click on OK. Now this is where we start to see that sometimes certain functions are preferred over other ones. So if we remember, we can right click and we can just drag up to repeat in our previous function. So for example, if I tried to mirror these two, and I tried to mirror in this plane, what you might notice is because this form wasn't made symmetrically across this way, it's not quite perfect in terms of where these sit. So I'm just going to click cancel on that, and I'm going to have to use a different method other than mirror. What I'm going to go for is this move copy function just up here, where you can find it within the modify menu. Again, follow the instructions in the dialog box. But what we need to do is make sure that this is on point to point rather than just free move. So first of all, I'm going to select the bodies that I wish to move. Then what we need to do is select the origin point, which is going to be the center of this axle. And our target point is going to be the center of the opposite axle. Again, make sure you tick the box for create a copy, and then click OK. So now we've got our four suspension arms coming down from our car.